In the heart of Ararat, Victoria, a modest 1950s house has been given new life through a carefully considered design approach. Ararat House, renovated by the architectural firm SJB, is a testament to how architecture can preserve heritage while meeting modern living needs. This project embodies a design philosophy that values sustainability, history, and comfort for its residents. The house was designed by Adam Haddo for his parents, who moved to town after years of living on the outskirts. Instead of demolishing the old structure and replacing it with a new one, this project took a more thoughtful approach, performing a series of surgical operations on the original structure. In doing so, not only was the embedded carbon in the old materials retained, but the history and memories tied to the house were also preserved. This decision aligns with the character of Ararat, a town that has grown slowly while maintaining its unique architectural identity. From a landscaping perspective, the expertise of Amanda Oliver brings a natural touch that harmonizes with the house. The landscape design complements the surrounding environment, creating outdoor spaces that are both aesthetic and functional. The use of native plants in a simple yard layout enhances the comfort of the residents while ensuring continuity with the natural ecosystem around the home. Ararat House sits on a 1,000 square meter plot with a building area of 153 square meters. The renovation enhances the house's functionality without stripping away its original character. The addition of a main living space includes a new kitchen, living room, and dining area that open northward to a veranda and private courtyard. Additionally, 2 new bathrooms have been added to the south, improving the overall comfort of the home. The original structure, which houses 3 bedrooms, has been preserved, allowing flexibility for the future, potentially welcoming the designer's brother's family back into the home one day. The uniqueness of this project is also reflected in its context. Ararat has developed gradually, with houses typically built using local materials and labor. There is no dominant architectural style. Rather, a mix of eras tells the story of time. Ararat House becomes part of this narrative, not as an intrusive element, but as a form of urban acupuncture that enriches the environment without erasing its identity. Beyond its functional aspects, this renovation creates a home that truly feels alive. Every detail has been carefully crafted to ensure that the architect's parents can enjoy a comfortable, warm, and easily maintained living space as they age. More than just a renovation, Ararat House is an example of how a home can evolve with its inhabitants, allowing room for change while holding on to its historical roots. Ultimately, Ararat House is more than an architectural project. It is an embodiment of a design philosophy that honors the past while embracing the future. A home that grows with its residents, creating a place that truly feels like home.